in this video session, we are going to learn how to convert a website into e-commerce website, right? So e-commerce website, from there you can showcase your product, you can sell your products, right? So whether it is physical product or it is digital product. So for converting your website into e-commerce platform, you need to install one plugin that is called WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is especially made for WordPress website and it is very easy to use. So we just will know about the WooCommerce plugin. So what is a WooCommerce? So WooCommerce is an open source e-commerce plugin. So this is a plugin and it is especially designed for the WordPress, and it is it takes a small size to install or to download, and it supports all the things. It supports all the functionality, including with your payment method, your variable products, right? So why to choose WooCommerce? So WooCommerce, because this is built for WordPress, and through this plugin you can showcase your product. You can showcase your physical and digital product into your website, from where you can start selling, right? And this plugin is totally secure, right? And this is very well documented. That means you'll be getting, or you'll be able to see different option that it will be very easy to manage, right? So for installing and activating WooCommerce, the same manner, you have to go to your website. That means at your the backend part, you have to enter with your login credential. There in plugin option, you have to go on add new option, and you have to install the WordPress plugin. So that will be doing it practically. So first of all, just we'll go to our website. So this is the website, right? That last time we created this website. So now today we are going to convert this website into e-commerce website, right? So for going to your backend, just type wp-admin, then click on enter, right? So dashboard will be coming. So from here you have to you have to put your username and password. So I have put username and password. Simply I'll click on login. So this is the backend part of our website. So as we were talking about WooCommerce plugin, so for installing that plugin, you have to go to plugin option, click on add new, and here just search for WooCommerce plugin. So as soon as you will type WooCommerce, see the numbers of plugins will be coming with the name WooCommerce, but you have to select the first one only with WooCommerce. This plugin you have to install. So click on install now. So after installing that one, you have to make it activate, right? So just now you have installed. So this plugin you'll be able to see in installed plugin list, right? So here now just will make it activate. So as soon as you activate, it will start, that plugin will start working. So we have activated that plugin. So here we can see that plugin WooCommerce, right? So as we installed, so on the left side, that means here we can see this WooCommerce option, right? WooCommerce, and with this product and analytics, two additional options are coming, right? First of all, we'll go to the setting part. This is the setting part. Click on setting part. We'll be doing some general setting with this plugin. So here in general setting, you have to put your address, right? So address, that means your business address. So just you can take, you can write your own. So you can type here your business address. So just like type JP Nagar. Type, you can type city Bangalore, and just you select your country. So from here we'll search for India. So here country with the state name. So in which state you are, or in which state you are located, just you select that one, and you can type your zip code. And here the option is coming for selling location. So in selling location, it is by default it has taken sell to all countries. Click here. So as you are I mean belongs to India, right? So you have to select on sell to a specific country, right? And sell to a specific zone. So here you can select the specific zone. So again here just type search for India and click. Then shipping location, if you are providing any shipping, right? Or if you're here you have to select ship to specific countries only, right? Then again you have to search for India. Click on India. So default customer location, so shop base address or geolocate. So you can do geolocate. And enable tax rates and calculation, right? So if, see here, if you will do, if you'll check mark on this enable tax rates and calculation, so what will be happening? Just here these options are coming, right? So one additional option will be coming with the name, with the tax name, right? So one tab it will become right? So that will be doing it later. Then enable the use of coupon code. Yes, we want to use coupon. So whoever the customer will be using coupon code, they will be getting some sort of discount, right? Then here we have to set currency. So currency, that means you have to search Indian rupee. Then currency position left, and click on, and click on save changes.